Hi everyone, welcome to Food Lover TV, where we eat, cook and make reviews of street and local food. So in this video, we're not going to be eating street food. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make Nigerian jollof and crispy chicken. Did I just say crispy chicken? Yes, crispy chicken. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, turn on post notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I make a video. So stay tuned guys. But before we go do that, let's have some fun. Yeah guys, so welcome to my kitchen. Like I said, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make Nigerian jollof rice and crispy chicken. So before we go ahead, let me show you all my ingredients. I start with my tomato, my onions are here, my garlic, thyme, my curry powder, my tomato paste, importantly, and my no seasoning, yeah, and my pepper and my green beans. I'm going to need blue band butter. Comment down below, let me know your preference. I usually use blue band, yeah, my salt, and ultimately the rice itself that I'm using. So stay tuned guys as I put everything together. But first we have to blend these tomato, onions, the pepper and the garlic all together. Yeah guys, so you wash your tomatoes, the pepper, the onions and the garlic, you wash them all together. Now we can now blend all of them together. We can now blend all together. Wait a minute, guys. Yeah. Pour the blended pepper in a pot and boil it. You leave it for about 15 minutes to boil. Yeah, so we're going to leave it for 15 minutes to boil.
A few moments later.
Yeah, so now guys, it's boiled. We're gonna add some vegetable oil. We're gonna have some vegetable oil. Yeah. Add some vegetable oil. Our tomato paste. Yeah, so oil and some tomato paste. Good. Now we're gonna add our no seasonings. Our thyme, our curry powder. Do right now. We add some salt to taste. Yeah. And you stir all together. So while you wait, you wash your rice very quickly. You wash your rice very quickly. Yeah. The stew has fried. Now we're applying the rice. I cannot wait for the food to be ready, guys. Yeah. You stir all together. You stir all together. And then add some water. Yeah, you add water. Yeah, so you come minutes after minutes to come and stir. You monitor until the rice are soft. It's now to add the sweet corn. Yeah, you add the sweet corn and some blue band. You know, blue band have its own flavor. It has its own taste, other than the normal granite oil. So you just add some blue band. That taste is necessary in the cooking. After which, we just wait for the rice to cook all together, and there we go. And there we go, guys. Yeah. So you cover up and come back to check minutes after minute, like I said, to avoid it being burning from the ground. Yeah, guys. So you know, as we wait for food to cook, my friends are here. You know, we're young guys. We don't want to have a boring moment.
Yeah, sure.
We have a drink here and we decide to just take a shot as we wait for food to be ready. Get yours.
Yeah.
So we are going to share to success, to the new channel, to prosperity in everything we do
Exactly.
and everything. So cheers.
Cheers.
1, 2, go.
Food love.
Rice is going to be done in minutes, and meanwhile we need to start preparation for the crispy chicken. And what do I need for the preparation? I need my garlic, I need my seasoning, and yeah, for now. So stay tuned while I teach you guys how to go about it. I'm going to add my seasoning in my small mortar, yeah, and my garlic, and I'm going to grind them all together. I'm going to grind them all together. Sorry for that, guys. Yeah. So while I do this, yeah, I think it's okay. Yeah. So I have my flour here, my all-purpose baking flour. I'm gonna break my egg in it. Cool. I'm gonna add some little salt to taste. I'm gonna add my blended garlic and yeah, I'm gonna add my blended garlic and my seasoning, and I'm gonna match them all together. I need some water. Yeah, you have some water, so it can be a little moist to help your cooking. This is a chili oil, guys. Yeah, it's really hot, so I'm not gonna add too much. So I've had a little curry powder. Yeah, that's enough. We can now add our chicken. We can add our chicken in it. You can see table is set. Everyone is so busy. All mouths are busy at the moment. Yeah, but I'm going to give a chance for Mr. Rama to give his opinion on the taste of the food. And yeah, so here.
The food is amazing, guys. Wow. I thought I've tasted. I thought I had tasted the best food in the world in my 25 years of existing, but today it has done it all. This food is amazing. I never thought I could cook rice and it could be this good. So imagine, just follow Food Lover's recipe. It's an amazing, very easy, and wow, I can't wait to dig in.
Yeah, trust me, the best word is just wow. That's all. Wow. Tastes amazing, incredibly and notoriously delicious. So guys, actually we've come to the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, like, give a comment on this video. Let me know what you think, and whatever you think I should cook on my next video, let me know in the comment below. So I'll see you on my next video. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you on that next video. Bye for now. Nom 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 nom.